How would you like to have a handyman pro by your side to help you with the projects around your house? I know you're a do-it-yourselfer and I know you love to take care of things and fix things, but sometimes, if you're honest, don't you struggle to know what the next step is? Or don't you regret sometimes trying something that really caused you a lot more work later? We've all been there, right? My name is Bruce Petrov. I founded a company called Home Maintenance Solutions several years ago. We take care of folks with full service home maintenance in their home, but I know you do-it-yourselfers could use some help as well. I have over 20 years of experience in remodeling and building. We also have a team of guys that are really experienced as well. In fact, if you add up all of our experience in repairs and remodeling, building, fixing things, we have over 100 years of experience in this industry. We would love to help take that experience that we have and help you guys that are out there doing your jobs all week and doing a really good job at it, but sometimes struggle to take care of your home and keep your home in good repair and to make it just a great, peaceful place for your families. We want to help you. We want to bring all that experience to you. We want to make you guys better. We want to build your confidence and build your family's joy. We started this group called Ask Handyman Bruce just to do that. You will find all sorts of tips and tricks and help inside of this group. Some of the things that you're going to learn are going to be from our experience. We share little videos from time to time. I do, my guys do. Here's something we found that was really useful. We discovered this after trying it 10 times. We realized here's a great way to do it. We make a little video about that. Those are all available to you, saving you hours and hours of mistakes. Learn from the pros. Learn how to build and repair more. There's also virtual learning inside our group. We have how-to videos there that you can watch anytime. You can sharpen your skills with blog posts and articles. We have accountability inside that group. If you'd like to, you can say, hey, I want to be accountable. Check in with me because I want to make sure I get this stuff done. We want to equip you guys to really get it done. So how about the guy that says like, oh yeah, I want to do this or I want to do that, but then he never follows through. It's like the guy that looks at himself in the mirror, walks away and forgets what he looks like, right? You got to follow through. Sharpen your DIY skills. Develop any DIY skills that you feel like you don't have. Easy to follow instructions from a pro. That's what we're trying to bring to you. And I think you're going to find that that's exactly what we have. Step-by-step video instructions too. Inside of our group, we release a more advanced version of our videos that are step-by-step that can actually lead you through a project, lead you through a repair. How many times have you guys watched a video, maybe on YouTube or somewhere, and you're like, okay, that sort of helped me, but mine's not like that, or you skipped a bunch of steps. So inside our group, you can find those step-by-step how-tos as well. You have access anytime, guys. You can log on day or night and find this information. Another thing we're going to do is regular live Q&As. So we're going to have scheduled Q&A sessions where folks can log on and ask their questions in real time. And we'll be there to answer your questions. I love answering questions. I love helping people. And that's one of the things I'm really looking forward to. We have all sorts of extra bonuses as well, guys, like live coaching sessions that we're going to have one winner every month. We're going to draw a winner every month, and that person is going to be able to send in a live question. We're going to do a live session with them through the wonders of technology. We're going to be able to be there and actually walk through for a 30-minute session on your repair, some of the problems you're running into. What do I do now? We're going to have that for this one winner each month. Also, we're going to have special drawings too, where we're going to have sponsors that will be providing gift cards and other prizes that we're going to have a little fun with this. We have a point system we developed, and if you guys are doing your printables and if you're accountable and following some of the steps that we recommend, you're going to get more points. Person with the most points is going to be rewarded. It's going to be a lot of fun. We are so looking forward to this. I am looking forward to seeing you on the other side. Please join our closed group now and join Ask Handyman Bruce and start on the journey to having a pro help you grow in your home maintenance.